Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on adding universally unique identifiers to your Google Sheets rows using our free extension, DataUniX. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of authorizing the extension, selecting the sheet, choosing a column, and generating unique IDs. Let's dive in. After downloading the add-in, the first time you use our extension, you'll need to authorize it to access your Google Sheets. This ensures that the extension can securely generate unique identifiers for your data. Once authorized, open your Google Sheets and navigate to the Extensions menu. You'll find our extension listed there. Click on it to launch the interface. With the extension interface open, choose the sheet where you want to add unique identifiers. This could be your sales data, customer information, or any other data set you're working with. Next, select the column where you'd like the unique identifiers to be added. You have the option to either create a new column for the IDs or choose an existing one. Once you've selected the sheet and column, simply click the Generate Unique Identifiers button in the extension interface. Our extension will then swiftly generate unique IDs for each entry in the selected column, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly add unique identifiers to your Google Sheets, enhancing organization and clarity in your data. Thank you for watching and happy data managing.